Students, look at this. They are saying XA gives you YB. This is what given. Remember that something which is given, you can't alter it, okay? You have to keep it as it is until you will get the final solution. Now, for this, I should write the differential rate equation. That is what I will realize when I will see this particular data given to me. So, I am writing rate of disappearance of A, stoichiometric coefficient become its reverse, that is equal to the rate of appearance of B. Stoichiometric coefficient has to be taken as its inverse, right? Now, if you look at the stoichiometric coefficient form and if you look at the form here, they are not matching with each other. Am I right? So they are not same form as these are. So what I am doing is I am getting this x here, I am taking this y here. So what I will get is, it looks like this, minus y dA by dt, that is equal to x here d by dt b. So you people can see this and this are one and the same. So what is y then? 2. You can see this and this are one and the same. Then what is x? We can see it's 3. So the question asked what is x minus y. So x is 3, y is 2. So x minus y is 1. So 1 is given at option B. Therefore option B is my answer.